Hi, this is Sandy Bapty, volunteer tour guide, and today I'm going to talk about bungalows in the Craftsman style. The name bungalow came from British colonial India, meaning Bengali-style house. Its modern definition is a small single-family house or cottage with an informal arrangement of rooms inside with an asymmetrical entry off a deep porch or a veranda. The Craftsman style, part of the arts and crafts movement which followed the Victorian era, was marked by the use of simpler forms, natural materials, and visible handicraft. In New Orleans, Craftsman-style houses were built from 1910 to 1940. The style is mostly associated with the bungalow house type, but you can also see Craftsman-style details on single and double shotguns, townhouses, raised basements, and mansions. These houses, all uptown in the Carrolton neighborhood, show the details commonly associated with craftsmen. Porches are the most prominent feature. Wide with a low-pitched roof, supported by truncated columns on raised bases, and often in a different material from the house, stucco or brick or even imported stone. Wood columns are often doubled and tripled at the corners. The roof eave often features exposed rafter ends, sometimes with a decorative shape at the tip. A decorative window or vent in the attic beneath a projecting gable is a typical feature, often using art glass or a geometric pattern of multiple panes. An eave bracket, also called a knee brace, usually with a 45-degree angle, supports the projecting roof and also becomes a decorative feature. On grander houses, a shed dormer provides daylight to the partial second story. Craftsman-style windows are often double-hung with a multiple-pane upper sash and just one or two larger panes below. Diamond pattern panes were also popular. Craftsman-style doors are often paneled with a half-light and side lights. There was also an abundance of woodwork on the inside. Living rooms and dining areas were often defined by low walls and built-in cabinets. The style spread to New Orleans from California, where the architects Green and Green popularized the style. Their natural wood detailing was inspired by traditional Japanese joinery. In New Orleans, like elsewhere in the U.S., developers were building subdivisions of identical or similar bungalows. Gentilly Terrace was built by the developer de Montlutzen in 1909 after he and his architect team visited Los Angeles to study bungalow communities. The style also spread via pattern books, such as these in the collection of the Tulane's Southeastern Architectural Archive, which put on an interesting exhibit on bungalows. Thanks for listening.